Hello children, in this activity we are going to verify that the vertically opposite angles when two lines intersect are equal. This is a class 9 activity. For that I have taken 3 different circles. It is not necessary you have to select only circles. I just wanted to show how the opposite angles will look when you cut it. That's why I have taken a circle. Just like that in a color sheet also you can cut it. See how I am drawing intersecting lines in that. So here I have drawn a pair of intersecting lines. Here a pair of intersecting line. Here a pair of intersecting line. You can see these 3 different pairs of intersecting in different angles. By seeing that you can understand. Just to make the boundary I have drawn a circle. It is not necessary. In any sheet you just draw vertically intersecting lines as well. Okay. Now what I am going to see, I am going to cut this angle A and this cut this angle A, and I am going to check whether this A is perfectly matching on this A. Just see. Now I cut the angle A from the right side as well from the left side. Now we will check. See one piece of angle A. Now I am going to keep this vertex exactly on the other A. See, it is exactly matching. So I can understand these 2 angles. This angle A and this angle A are equal. By this cutting we could understand. Now what I am going to do, I am just matching this another piece on this opposite piece. See, they are also exactly matching, right? So the vertically opposite angle, the numbered 2 angles which are opposite to one another and the unnumbered angles which are opposite to one another are equal. So from this we could understand the vertically opposite angles are equal. Visually we are proving it. Same way I am going to cut these 2 angles and I am going to check this. See here, in this I cut angle A and angle A and exactly matching on one another. See here, this is angle A at the bottom and another angle which are exactly matching on one another. Same way here, I have taken angle 1 and the opposite angle 2. Here we mentioned 1 and 2 as opposite, no? So 1 and 2 are here. They are exact. The angle part is exactly matching. The opposite angles, this way I can take this opposite angle, this opposite angles which are kept like this, they are exactly matching on one another. I showed it in the opposite side. Same way, same like the first one, 1 and 2 I cut and keep it on one another. See, this is 2, this is angle 1, they are exactly matching on one another. 3 and 4 are equal to one another. Like this, just cut and check. Keep the vertices on one another and check whether the angles are equal or not. So, any 2 lines, when they intersect, the angles formed, the vertically opposite angles formed are equal in measure. This is the visual proof for that. I will share the write-up also. This is the write-up part. Aim to verify that the vertically opposite angle formed when 2 lines intersecting will be equal in measure. So the materials required: color papers, writing material, glue and pair of scissors. This is the procedure. Draw 3 circles about 4 cm radius. It is not necessary that you have to draw only 4 cm radius. Any type of circle is fine. Even any other shape. Just we need 2 intersecting lines, that's all. In that, draw intersecting lines such a way that the 3 circles represent the intersecting lines with different angles, so that you can visually understand for any angle this will be same. So cut the opposite angles separately. Keep the vertices of the angles one on another and check whether they are exactly matching. Once you cut the pair of opposite angles, what are the remaining angles? Just fold them on one another and check whether the remaining opposite angles are equal or not. So from the observation we can find that 2 pair of opposite angles formed when two lines are intersecting are equal in all the three circles we cut. So we conclude that from this activity we verified that the vertically opposite angles formed when any two lines intersects are equal in measure. Hope this activity will be helpful for you to do your MATLAB activity note. Thank you.